All right, good morning, Cyber Traders. Welcome. Good to see you all back. Nice to see everyone ready for this lovely Wednesday. Got about 30 minutes for the market opens up. Had a couple of really good stocks yesterday we're going to talk about. We've got a couple of nice ones that are moving right now. SPR is moving up pretty decently, up about 16%. New York Stock Exchange, kind of shocking there, regarding what's moving. But a couple of stocks had some big spikes, came back down. Not really seeing as much of those 100% movers that we found yesterday, but we'll go through them and we'll see what we got going on. But before anything, let's go over some of the stocks that we traded yesterday. A couple of nice little stocks that traded. Want to just cover upon really quick on what happened with AMC yesterday. So AMC was a really nice move. And, I just want to kind of bring this up, but like 9:30, this thing had such a great pop. What really stand out a lot was this right here. And you see this time right around here, around 8:55. Everybody on YouTube and social media, this is something that we focus on is iceberg orders. And, when we talk about Fausto flags and all that. But what a great little consolidation of a Fausto flag right there. Iceberg order got taken out right there at 970. Boom. Thing ran all the way up to about 1070. Came back down to that previous resistance, which came support. Shot all the way to 1020. Listen, it wasn't a huge winner. The big winner was here, right here at 930 when it did this consolidation and popped right there. But whoever missed that should have got that one, that big move right there. So AMC, it's always been, been coming out of the blues, and yesterday came up and did pretty well also. A couple other stocks that really crashed yesterday because, listen, not only do we go long, we do go short, right? So NVDA. Dan, that really had a huge crash yesterday going into the close. You could see it right there in pre-market. Now, we don't trade NVIDIA because why do I got to trade a $450 stock, right? That's a lot of money. There's no reason for it. But we do day trade the options sometimes. So that stock had a really good pop, went from 450 down to 425. AMC, for some of you, I jumped into the AMC. Yes, not the AMC, AMD. I'm sorry. AMD. Traded side by side with that, and I did get the short on it. And let me tell you something. Damn well, thank God I covered that short right there because it wasn't a huge winner. But listen, it's better than being a loser because if I didn't cover it, look at that. It went from 101 all the way up to about 105. So, there was a big reversal there on that market. So listen, you can go long, you can go short, but listen, as a swing trade, didn't go anywhere. I think it was garbage. A couple other stocks also moved pretty well. Affirm, AFRM. That stock was a nice little steady mover all day. Went from 1820 to 1990. I mean, not a huge winner. MSOS was another one. Good in the afternoon. That stock, you remember back in September, we went from $5 to $9. And, stock moved up pretty good right there. And then just kind of really quick on the TPST. I don't know. TPST had some crazy moves yesterday. Had that big run up, had this great little consolidation right here. And I was talking about it, and we talk about this in phase 3, and I said it yesterday. It's been holding here too long. It was hovering and hovering and hovering. And then sure enough, right around that 720, bam, that thing shot up all the way up to about $9. Everyone should have probably got shaken out somewhere around the 8-ish, 840. But that right there, that telltale sign right there, right around there from all the way up until about 10:15, boom, that was an easy look at of a good breakout. Anyway, a little bit of a faster moving stock, but TPST, for everyone who wasn't here or haven't been following us or maybe watching us before, TPST was a really nice mover. That stock ran from $2. Actually, it was less than that. It was up 3,000%. But in one day, it ran from $1 to about over $10. So the reason why I've been talking about it every day because it traded again yesterday. So it's on a downtrend now. I mean, it's always on the watch list. I'm going to keep it there, and that's what really matters. Now, let's talk about what's moving this morning. So I've got a couple of stocks that are moving this morning. Now, we have this stock right here, this CNXA. It moved pretty nicely early this morning, just came crashing down. Okay, so, and we probably should all know why it did that. There was a big iceberg order right around 280, and then right around here on 240. Let me just see if I can get some more data here on the stock right here. Look a little more data on it on level 4. See what we got going on here. Yeah, it wasn't out there till they started showing up right around here, but you could see how it started trending down. I don't really see any buyers out here coming out there. So, program trading is really not that popular right now going into the stock. A couple other ones. Listen, it's not the only one that's moving. There are other ones out there. This one looks like it just started picking up some movement. Gamber, Pakistan. I don't know what the hell that. I don't know what they do about Pakistan, but stock just made a big move right now. Ran from $1.60 to $2. Volume's picking up. It just showed up. Sometimes you get program trading that kicks in at 9 a.m. We'll go check out and see what's going on in the market, as in the orders. Yeah, there was a big order right here. You can see it right there. You see here down at the bottom, we had a lot of big volume bars on the green. That means there's been a lot of buying going on. Interesting stock. Going to put this on a watch list. GPAK. One thing that we have to be aware of, it is an IPO. Stock just opened up, just went public on the 9th. So I'm not a big fan of that when it comes to trading a stock like that. ARDX, another stock up 13%, 10 million shares. Very tradable. Very, very tradable stock. ARDX, it just don't have the really trend there. That's what that we're looking for. Started going down from 815, from 410 down to 370. Not a really big fan of that. There's a big order right here. You can see right here for about 57,000 shares at 420. So we got, so once again, always know where everyone else is out there on the street. Okay. What else we got going on? We're down to 9%. This is all nothing really going on there. Let's go check at the most active percentage gainers. I mean, we're at the gainers now, but let's go check out the most active. NXTX. That one yesterday was also a big, big, big runner. Forgot to mention that one. I know we talked about that one yesterday too. So it's holding it pretty strong. I like that. NXTX. Put that on our watch list. Looks like it's got resistance levels around 5. We've got some movement here. I'm going to check on level 4. Just bringing it up here. Oh, okay, we got the loader. There we go. All right, so we had somebody that did show up right around here for about 19,000, but we got some orders here, 6,000. Volume is a little bit on the light side in pre-market. You can see the tier size of all hundreds here. So remember, tradable, non-tradable, first T, very important. But stock's got some good movement. We'll keep an eye on it. TLT's coming down pretty hard. That's obviously, we're not going to trade that as bank stock. OPGN. That one also had a good move yesterday. Very cheap little stock. I'll put that one on the watch list. OPGN. That one's not bad. We'll keep an eye on that. Good volume. NVIDIA, we had that little slingshot. Tesla. Earnings are coming out on Tesla, right? I think today coming out earnings, if I believe so. We're going to keep an eye on that in the afternoon. That should be, that is definitely all over the news. LCID. United Airlines came out earnings yesterday. Obviously not that good. Ooh, almost testing a 52-week low too. What's that low right there? United looks like a fun stock to trade. 60.36. Ooh, we're almost there. We're almost there. United, keep an eye on that one too. So UAL. So if that's moving, that means everything else is moving. What about Delta? Delta got affected a little bit by it, but I'll tell you, Delta's getting close to some big, big, nice support levels right around 32. So you can keep an eye on that stock too. I don't understand. They said that they were doing great, all the airlines. Everybody's traveling. You can't get on these planes. They raised the prices on it. I don't understand. I don't get it. American Airlines also taking a little hit there too from it. American Airlines definitely making new lows. So it looks like all the airlines are all getting hit. We put those on a watch list. All right. So anything on the losers list? Nothing there. And anything on the New York Stock Exchange other than we found the SPR that keeps going up. SPR is doing great. Kind. We trade this stock many times on the big losers list. 7%. Nothing really there. All right. So pretty much that does it. You know what? Not a really good list so far this morning. But remember what happened on Monday. We had the same thing that on Monday, and also the Monday opened it up, and we had all these great stocks that moved. So hopefully we'll get the same thing. But as of right now, not really super excited other than earnings announcements coming out and American Airlines obviously being one of them. All right, anything I'm missing I did not call out? Trader RHR said UCU is cheapy. We'll check on we'll check that one right now. Was it the ICU? It is a cheapie. It is a penny stock. I'll probably be a little concerned. You know how we feel about penny stocks here, but yeah, I mean that's a good call. I'll put that on there. I'll put this on the B list. Let's go check on level 4. See what we got on ICU. See what we got going on out there. A friend out there on YouTube. All right, here we go. Here we got our orders. We got some orders here. You can see 60 cents, so on there. Not bad. Nice little small cap stock. All right. All right, everyone, let's get ready for the market open. We've got 15 minutes before we go. Last thing, today at 12 o'clock, we're going to have open house again. So if you're watching on YouTube, please, there you go. We got the link right there. Just click on it. You could also use Trade With Us. Let me put the QR code up there. That's a different one. Let me get the right one that's on there. Free live workshop. Okay, so if you go up there on social media, you see a little QR code, just take your phone, or you can click on the link that I just posted at 12 o'clock. We're going to teach you how to trade on level 4 and level 3 and how we find these stocks, and hopefully and have you come and join us in our trading room. Cyber traders, once again, you know, I always say, if you see something, say something. And I know all the new trial members like you, Steve, and everyone else that's here that's in the trading room. Hopefully you guys are having a great time. Just remember, don't buy anything. You're only here to watch, okay? Just want to see how the traders, how we don't make money, but how we control our losses. That's the biggest thing you got to focus on. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. And we'll see you in about when the market opens up, about 15 minutes. And if you're watching on social media, we'll see you back here at 2 o'clock. I'm sorry, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Thanks.